Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, so we go into new topic which is linear transformation. Okay, so we learn about the introduction to a linear transformation. Okay, so kat sini ni, so objektif dia understand the meaning of linear transformation from Rn into Rm. Okay, so daripada satu space kepada space yang lain, space Rn kepada space Rm. And then understand the meaning of linear transformation from a vector space V into a vector space W. Okay, so this R ni this same type of space lah. So space R to space R, cuma beza dia N dengan M. But here second this one different space. For example, space V is polynomial, space W is matrix. Okay. Okay, so another example, space W is matrices and space V is matrices, space W is R. Okay, and then determine whether a given transformation is linear or not, and then understand the properties of linear transformation. Okay, so introduction. Okay, so ni perkenalan function dululah. So function are used in all aspect of mathematics. Okay, so dulu korang belajar function dalam pre-calculus. Okay? So function is a rule that assigns or maps its element in its domain into one and only one element in its range. Okay, so daripada domain kepada range dia. Okay? So kalau daripada macam ni, so linear transformation ni daripada Rn kepada Rm. So maksudnya Rn ni akan jadi domain, Rm akan jadi range. So this one also same, vector space V into vector space W. So space V will become the domain and space W become range or codomain. Okay. Okay, so example this one, fx is 2x plus 1. So the domain and the range of f is the set of all real numbers. Okay, so kalau korang ingat function, the domain and the range always real number. Okay, so maksudnya real number, the maps kepada real number. And then B, fx equal to square root 2x plus 1. So the domain of fx is negative 1 until infinity, while the range is 0 to infinity. Okay, so in this case, the domain and range of the function are subsets of set of all real numbers. Okay, so the subset lah. Kenapa subset? Because real number is from negative infinity until infinity. Tapi kita ambil sebahagian sahaja. So maksudnya dia subset daripada real number lah. So this one also subset of real number. So dia mapkan domain daripada negative 1 over 2 until infinity kepada 0 until infinity. Okay, so in transformation, so ni transformation. For example, fxy is equal to x plus y. So the domain is all the vectors in R2. So R2 kita ada dua koordinat, and the range is all real number. So real number lah. So sebab x plus y, so dia akan jadi satu nombor je. For example, f23 it is equal to 2 plus 3 become 5. Okay, so daripada R2 become R. Okay, so R1 saja. So here 5 is the image for 2, 3. Okay, so another example. So let t be a function defined by t x y z is equal to x plus y and z minus y. Okay, so first it is mapped from R3 into R2. Okay, so R3 kita ada 3 koordinat. R2 we have 2 koordinat, 1, 2. So the domain of t in R3, okay, so the domain dia R3 while the range is R2. Okay, okay, so the function t also can be defined as this one. Okay, so t, okay, so it's a transformation from R3 into R2 with the condition txyz or with the function txyz equal to x plus y and z minus y. Okay, so macam mana kita nak buat? Okay, so t213, so focus here, x is on the first element, first plus second, so 2 plus by 1, and then third minus second, so third element 3 minus second is 1, so it is become 3, 2. Okay, so daripada R3 become R2. And here T10, so this one not defined lah. Because 10 is not element in R3. Okay, so 10 ni R2 tapi domain dia R3, so dia tak boleh nak define lah. Okay, so ini contoh. Okay, so tapi yang sebenarnya dia tak adalah bagi soalan suruh kira-kira macam ni, tak ada sangat. Okay, so kita pergi ke main topik kita. So linear transformation. Okay, so first definition. So linear transformation from Rn to Rm. Okay, so a transformation T which is from Rn into Rm is linear if and only if, okay, so IFF, the following properties hold for all vectors u and v in Rn. So untuk u dengan v ni vektor dalam domain dia which is Rn, and n is scalar C. Okay, so these two condition must be whole in order for the transformation become linear. So Tu plus V is equal to Tu plus Tv, and Tcu is equal to Ctu. So boleh faktorkan C. And same for this one. So linear transformation from V into W. Okay, so this one definition number 2. Okay, so daripada RR. Okay, so this one VW. Okay, so from one space into another space. So jenis space yang berbeza. Okay, polynomial to matrix, or matrix to polynomial, or polynomial into R, or R into polynomial. Okay, so tapi ni R kepada R yang atas ni. Okay, so yang ni, so ni maksudnya yang atas ni keluarga yang sama, yang bawah ni keluarga yang berbeza, tapi condition dia sama je. So sama macam yang atas. So Tu plus V is Tu plus Tv, and another one Tcu is equal to Ctu. Okay, so C tu boleh keluarkan. Okay, so if V is equal to W, so if vector space V is equal to vector space W, then T is called a linear operator. Okay, so maksudnya V masuk dalam V lah. Okay, so daripada space V dia pergi ke space yang sama iaitu V. Okay, so maksudnya dia akan, kita panggil dia sebagai linear operator. Okay, so here is the properties for linear transformation. So let T is a transformation that map from vector space V into vector space W be a linear transformation where vector U and vector V are in vector space V. So then these properties are true. Okay, so T 0 vector is equal to 0 vector, and T negative vector V is equal to negative T vector. So transformation untuk negative vector ni, so kan, and then times with transformation of the V, and then Tu minus V is equal to Tu minus Tv. And then another one, let V be an n-dimensional vector space with S is equal to V1, V2, Vn as a basis. Okay, so S ni, set S ni adalah basis, and Tv1, Tv2 transformation of vector 1, vector 2 and vector n are given. Okay, so then for any vector V, okay, so Tv is completely determined by Tv1, V2 and Vn. Okay, so transformation untuk vector V ni, okay, so completely determined. Okay, so boleh dicari menggunakan Tv1 and Tv2 and Tvn if this vector V is the linear combination of V1, V2 and Vn. Okay, so sekiranya V ni adalah linear kombinasi daripada V1, V2 and Vn ni, so therefore the transformation of this vector V we can search by using transformation of V1 and then transformation of V2 and then transformation of Vn. Okay, so dia jadi macam ni lah. Okay, so kita boleh buat asing-asing. Okay, so itu adalah properties dia. Okay, so nak personal lah, kalau korang nak ingat-ingat, tak nak ingat pun tak apa. Okay, so example. Okay, so let T is equal to a transformation that map from R2 into R2. Okay, so same space. Okay, so R2 into R2. Okay, so be defined by this one, T x y equal to x plus 2y and then x minus y. So verify that T is a linear transformation. Okay, so the first condition, okay, so T vector U plus V is equal to T U plus T V. Okay. Okay, so TU, okay, so first you need to let U, okay, so let U is equal to U1, U2, and V is equal to V1 and V2. Okay, so first check the left side. Okay, so this one left hand side and here is right hand side. Okay, so korang kena tunjukkan left hand side and right hand side are same. Okay, so TU plus V. Okay, so TU plus V. So it is equal to T. So vector U, which is U1, U2, V1, V2. Okay, so you will have T U1 plus V1. First element. Second element U2 plus V2. Okay, and then apply the transformation. Okay, so we have first element plus 2 times second element. So U1 plus V1 plus 2 times second element, which is U2 plus V2. And then second one, first element minus second element. So which is U1 plus V1 minus U2 minus V2. Kenapa minus ke kat sini plus? Sebab expand negative tu. So negative Y, second element. Second element is U2 plus V2. So negative to all of this one. So that's why become minus U2 minus V2. Okay, and then simplify. So we have U1 plus 2U2. And then plus V1 plus 2V2. Comma. And then U1 minus U2. And then plus V1 minus V2. Okay. Okay, so this one is left hand side. Okay, so now check for the right hand side. Okay, so right hand side. So right hand side we have TU plus TV. Okay, so TU is T U1 U2 plus TV, which is V1 and V2. Okay, so transformation of U1 U2. So we have U1 plus 2 times second element. Okay, so plus 2U2. And then second one, first minus second. So U1 minus U2. And then plus for V, transformation of V. So first element V1 plus 2V2. And then second element, which is first element minus second element. So V1 minus V2. Okay. Then combine first element plus first element. So we have U1 plus 2U2 plus V1 plus 2V2. And then second element plus second element. U1 minus U2 plus V1 minus V2. Okay, so sama ke tak left hand side dengan right hand side? Okay, so U1 plus 2U2, U1 plus 2U2, V1 plus 2V2. Okay, so same. Okay, so since left hand side is equal to right hand side, condition 1 is whole. Okay, and then next check for the condition number 2. Alamak, tak muat lah, saya buat space sikit sangat lah. Okay, so condition number 2. Okay, so tak apalah, korang nak salin kan, saya buat atas Okay, so condition number 2. Okay, so condition number 2, T Cu is equal to C T U. Okay, so just now we let U is equal to U1 and U2. Okay, so TCU is equal to T Cu1 and Cu2, and then apply the transformation. Okay, so we have first element plus 2 times second element, so Cu1 plus 2 Cu2, and then second one, first element minus second element, so Cu1 minus Cu2. Okay, so this one for the left hand side. Okay, so left hand side. Okay, so and then right hand side, so right I have CTU. Okay, so C outside, and then T U1 U2. Okay, so it is equal to C, so transformation of U1 and U2, so we have U1 plus 2 U2, and then U1 minus U2, and then bawa masuk C, so you will have C times all of this one, so we will have Cu1 plus 2Cu2. Okay, and then C times all of this one, so Cu1 minus Cu2. Okay, okay, so since kita tengok sini left hand side dengan right side sama ke tak, so Cu1 plus 2Cu2, so Cu1 plus 2Cu2, Cu1 minus Cu2, so Cu1 minus Cu2. Okay, so since side is equal to right hand side, therefore so condition 2 is whole. Okay, so therefore T is linear transformation. Okay, so therefore T is linear transformation. Okay. Okay, so next question. Okay, so let T be a transformation from R2 to R3. So define it by Txy equal to x plus y, xy minus y. So verify that T is a linear transformation. Okay, so first condition. Okay, so U plus V. So let's say U is U macam yang atas so space saya tak banyak. Okay. Okay, so let U equal to U1 and U2. V is equal to V1 and V2. Okay, so first condition, which is T vector U plus vector V is equal to TU plus TV. Okay, so left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so first we check the left hand side. Okay, so TU plus V. Okay, so U plus V is T U1 plus V1 and U2 plus V2, and then apply the transformation, first element plus second element, so U1 plus V1 plus U2 plus V2, and then first element times second element, so U1 plus V1 times U2 plus V2, and then last one negative second element. Okay, so which is negative U2 plus V2. Okay, so we have here U1 plus V1 plus U2 plus V2, U dengan U, okay. So U1 plus U2 plus V1 plus V2. Then this one you need to expand U1 times U2. So U1 U2 plus U1 V2, and then plus U2 V1 and then V1 V2, and last one is negative U1 negative V2. Okay, so and then right hand side, so saya buat bawah. So soalan ni nanti kita buat kat bawah. Macam mana lah, saya lupa nak buat space. Okay, so next right hand side. Okay, so for the right hand side, so we have here TU plus TV. So it is equal to T U1 U2 plus T V1 V2. So it is equal to, so transformation of U1 and U2. First element plus second element. So U1 plus U2, and then first element times second element. So U1 U2, and then negative second element U2, and another one. So V1 plus V2, and then V1 times V2, and then negative V2, and then plus. Okay, so first element plus first element. So U1 plus U2 plus V1 plus V2, and then second element plus second element. So U1 U2 plus V1 V2. So kat sini U1 U2 bukan ni first element second element. Ni first element second element untuk vector U. Tapi sekarang kita dah buat transformation. So ni jadi first element, second element, and third element. So here also same, first, second, and third. Okay. And then negative U2 plus negative V2. So minus V2 lah. Okay, so minus V2. Okay, so compare left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so kita bandingkan. Okay, so if you can see this one U1 plus U2 plus V1 plus V2. So U1 U2 plus V1 V2. So this one same. This one here negative U2 minus V2. So this one, ni saya salah ni. Ni sepatutnya U2. Okay, so kat sini U2. Okay. So negative U2 minus V2. Okay, so this one same. At the middle this one. So U1 U2 plus V1 V2. But here U1 U2 plus U1 V2 plus U2 V1 plus V1 V2. So kat sini plus. Okay. So dia tak sama. Yang tengah-tengah ni tak sama. So therefore the condition number 1 fail. Okay. So since left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so condition 1 is fail. Okay. Gagal lah. So dia tak lulus. Okay. So therefore T is not linear. Okay, so fail to hold lah. Okay, so fail to hold. Okay. So therefore T is not linear transformation. Okay. So next question. Okay, so yang ni saya delete. Ini pun sama. Okay, so next question, the transformation T map from polynomial of degree 3 into matrices of 2 by 2. Okay, so defined by this one. Okay. Apa soalan dia? Saya tertinggal ni soalan dia. Okay, so this question, the question is determine whether T is linear. Okay, so nak cari T ni linear ke tidak. Okay, so first condition. Okay, so we have the polynomial ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Okay, so condition number 1. Okay, so condition 1. Okay, so tu plus v is equal to tu plus tv. Okay, so let u and v, so u is equal to u1x cubed plus u2x squared plus u3x plus u4, and then v is equal to v1x cubed plus v2x squared plus v3x plus v4. Okay, so tu plus v. Okay, so tu plus v, so it is equal to, okay, so u plus v, so biasanya kuasa 3 tambah kuasa 3. Okay, so you will have u1, okay, so t of u1 plus v1 x cubed, and then plus u2 plus v2 x squared, and then plus u3 plus v3 x, and then plus u4 plus v4. Okay, and then apply the transformation. Okay, so matrices a square, so a square. Okay, so the coefficient of x cubed power of 2, so coefficient of x cubed, which is u1 plus v1 x cubed, a square. And then second one is 0, then third one is c, coefficient of x, so coefficient of x is u3 plus v3. And then one b plus d, so b plus d is coefficient of x square plus the constant, so coefficient of x square is u2 plus v2, and then plus u4 plus v4. Okay, so this one is the left hand side, and then right hand side. Okay, so for the right hand side, so tu plus tv. Okay, so which is equal to tu1 x cubed plus u2 x squared plus u3x plus u4, and then plus t v1 x cubed plus v2 x squared plus v3x plus v4, and then transform this one. Okay, so coefficient of x cubed power of 2, so which is u1 square, then here 0, and then c is coefficient of x, so coefficient of x is u cubed, u3, u cubed pula, so u3, and then b plus d, so coefficient x square plus constant, so coefficient x square, which is u2, so constant, which is u4. Okay, and then plus. Okay, so for this one, okay, so first one, coefficient of x cubed power of 2, so v1 power of 2, and then here 0, and then here u3, so coefficient of x, which is v3, and then last one, coefficient of x square plus constant, so v2 plus v4, and then plus, so plus, when you plus, you have u1 square plus v1 square, 0 plus 0 is 0, and then u3 plus v3, and then u2 plus u4 plus v2 plus v4. Okay, so seterusnya cek kanan dengan kiri sama ke tidak. Okay, so here U3 plus V3, so this one same. Here 0, 0 same. Then U2 plus V2, U4 plus V4. Okay, so U2 plus V2, U4 plus V4. So this one same. Only the first one. So dua ni tak sama, okay? Okay. Kenapa tak sama? So kalau perasan, expand this one, U1. Okay, so U1 plus V1 square. So this is actually is equal to U1 square plus 2U1 V1 plus V1 square. Okay. So dia tak sama dengan yang ni. Sebab yang ni tengah-tengah ni tak ada. Okay. Okay, so tulis kat sini since U1 plus V1 square is not equal to U1 square plus V1 square. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Hence condition 1 fail to hold. Okay. So T is not linear transformation. So saya tulis T je lah, LT lah. So nanti exam kena tulis, korang tulis penuh. Okay, so saya punya tak muat, so saya tulis LT. Okay, so next another example. Okay, T is M2 by 2. Okay, so mapping M matrix of size 2 by 2 into R3. Okay, so determine whether it is linear or not. Okay, so sama kita check condition 1, condition 2. Okay, so for the first condition, okay, so first condition, TU plus V is equal to TU plus TV. Okay, so let U is equal to U1, U2, U3 and U4, and V is equal to V1, V2, V3 and V4. Okay, so U dengan V ni kita pilih daripada M2 by 2 lah, daripada yang awal. Lepas tu kita nak transform dalam R3. Okay. So M2 by 2 tu bentuk dia macam ni. So letaklah U1, U2, U3, U4. Okay, so nak pakai ABCD pun tak apalah, ABCD. Tapi kat sini lain lah, EFGH. Okay, so pun tak apa. Okay, boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay. Okay, so left hand side. Check for the left hand side. Okay, so mungkin ada, saya rasa ni tak linear lah sebab kat sini ni B times C ni. Okay, so nanti kita tengok. Okay. Okay, so transformation of U plus V. So which is equal to transformation of U1 plus V1, U2 plus V2, U3 plus V3, and V3 and U4. Okay, so U4 plus V4. Okay, so transform. So using this formula, so we have first plus second. So first plus second minus fourth. Okay, so first U1. So U1 plus V1 plus second, U2 plus V2, and then minus fourth. So minus U4 minus V4. Then second one B times C. So B times C. So second times by third. So U2 V2 times by U3 times plus V3, and the last one is 0. Okay, so it is equal to permudahkan, so U1 plus U2 minus U4, and then plus V1 plus V2 minus V4, then this one expand, U2 times U3, U2 times V3 plus, and then V2 times U3, and then plus V2 times V3, dan here 0. Okay, sudah tak ada apa-apa nak simplify. Okay, sudah. Okay, so dia agak memeningkan sikit lah topik ni sebab dia panjang. Okay, so saya koma pakai yang merah. Okay, so this one is the left hand side, and then right hand side. Okay, so right hand side, so we have TU plus TV. Okay, so TU is T, U1, U2, U3, and U4 plus TV. So V is V1, V2, V3, and V4. So it is equal to transformation of U. Okay, so first plus second minus fourth. So first U1 plus second minus U4, and then B times C. So second times by third, U2, U3, and then 0. And then for the B, V. So first, second, fourth. So V1 plus V2 minus V4. And then second times third, V2 times 3, V2 times V3, and last one is 0. Okay, so lagi satu sebenarnya kalau korang pakai U1, 2, 3, 4 ni korang tahulah. So 1, 2, 3, 4 ni menunjukkan elemen 1, elemen 2, elemen 3 yang elemen 4. So senang korang nak refer. Okay, so mana darab mana, mana tambah mana. Okay, so here and then do the addition. So you have U1 plus U2 minus U4 plus V1 plus V2 minus V4, and then U2, U3 plus V2, V3, and 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, so sini koma, okay. Okay, so and then check. Seterusnya kita check. Okay, so left hand side and right hand side. So this one, the first element U1, U2 minus U4. Okay, so sama. And then plus V1, V2 minus V4. So same. And then second element U2, U3 plus V2, V3. So U2, U3 plus V2, V3. So yang ni dia tak ada, okay. So since left hand side is not equal to right hand side, since left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so condition 1 is not satisfied. Okay, so satisfied pun boleh, okay. So kalau tak nak tulis fail to hold, so tulis not satisfied, okay. So therefore T is not linear, okay. Alright. Okay, so kalau boleh tadi bulatkanlah mana yang tak sama tu. Okay, so this one. And this one, okay. So dia tak sama, okay. Okay, so another one. Okay, so berapa lagi soalan ni? 1, 2. Okay, so 2 lagi soalan. Okay, so let the transformation T is mapping P2 into R3 is defined as follows. So TAX square plus BX plus C is equal to A plus B, 2B plus C, and then C. Okay, so determine whether T is linear. Okay, so yang ni saya rasa linear ni. Okay, so first let, kenapa hijau pula ni? Okay, so let U is equal to U1 X square plus U2 plus U3 and V is equal to V1 X square plus V2 X plus V3. Okay, so left hand side for the first condition, okay, so left hand side, so TU plus V, so it is equal to T, so U plus V, so U1 plus V1 X square, and then plus for the X U2 plus V2 X, and then U3 plus V3. Okay, so it is equal to transformations of coefficient of X square plus coefficient of X. So U1 plus V1 plus U2 plus V2, then 2B plus C. So 2B, which is coefficient of X, 2 times coefficient of X plus constant. Okay, so plus coefficient of X times 2, so 2U2 plus 2V2 plus with constant, so this one, plus U3 plus V3, and last one is C, which is U3 plus V3. Okay, and then right hand side, okay, so TU plus TV, okay, so which is T U1 X square plus U2X plus U3 plus T V1 X square plus V2X plus V3. Okay, so transforming, okay, so transform, okay, so coefficient of X square plus coefficient of X, so U1 plus U2, and then 2 coefficient of X, so 2U2 plus C, which is U3, and then last one, and for the V plus, okay, so V plus V2, and then 2V2 plus V3, and then V3, then combine, so first element plus first, so we have U1 plus U2 plus V1 plus V2, and then 2U2 plus U3, okay, so 2V2, so 2U2 plus 2V2 plus U3 plus V3, and last one is U3 plus V3. Okay, okay, so tengok, check, compare the left hand side and right hand side. So we have U1 plus V1, U2 plus V2, so U1 V1 V2, okay, so U1 plus V1, U2 plus V2, okay, so betul. And then one 2U2 plus 2V2, okay, so 2U2 plus 2V2, and then U3 plus V3 plus U3 plus V3, okay, betul. And then last one U3 plus V3, so U3 plus V3, okay, same. Okay, so since left hand side is equal to right hand side, so condition 1 is whole. Okay, okay, so and then we check for the second condition. Okay, so condition number 2, okay, so TCU, so it is equal to CT CX square plus CU2 So cu2x plus cu3. Okay, so and then transform. Okay, so coefficient x squared plus coefficient of x, so cu1 plus cu2, and then 2 coefficient of x, so 2cu2 plus constant which is cu3, and then last one is constant c. Okay, so cu3. Okay, and then how about ctu? Okay, so this one left hand side, and this one is right hand side. Okay, so it is equal to c t. Okay, so t u1x squared plus u2x plus u3. Okay, so it is equal to c transformation of this vector, so which is u1 plus u2, then plus 2u2 plus u2 pula, 2u2 plus u3, and then u3, and then expand this one, so you have u1 plus u2 and c 2u2 plus u3, and then c u3, then expand, so cu1 plus cu2, and then 2cu2 plus cu3, and then cu, and then compare sama ke tidak, okay. Left hand side and the right hand side. So here cu1 cu2, so cu1 plus cu2, then tcu2 plus cu3, so tcu2 plus cu3, and here cu3. Okay, so sama. Okay, so since left hand side is equal to right hand side, so condition 2 is whole. Okay, so therefore T is linear transformation. Okay. Okay, so last question. Okay, so T is a transformation M to 2 into R. Okay, so determine whether T is linear. Okay. Okay, so first let U is equal to U1, U2, U3, and U4, and V is equal to V1, V2, V3, and V4. Okay, so U plus V. Okay, so it is equal to T. Okay, so U plus V, it is equal to U1 plus V1, U2 plus V2, V3 plus V3 pula, U3 plus V3, and U4 plus V4. Then apply the transformation. So 3A, so 3A which is first element, so first element is U1 plus V1, then minus 4B, so B is the second element which is U2 plus V2, and then plus C which is third element, so third element is U3 plus V3, and then minus D which is fourth element, so minus U4 plus V4. Okay, so we have 3U1 plus 3V1, and then minus 4U2 minus 4V2 plus U3 plus V3 minus U4 minus V4. Okay, so and then collect u with u. So we have 3u1 minus 4u2. Okay, this one already. And then plus u3. And then minus u4. And then plus 3v1. And then minus 4v2. And then plus v3. Minus v4. Okay, so this one is left hand side. Okay, so now check for the right hand side. Okay, so for the right hand side, tu plus tv is equal to t u1 u2 u3 u4 plus t v1 v2 v3 and v4. Okay, so transformation of u first. So 3 times a first element, which is u1. Okay, so 3u1, and then minus 4 times b second element, so u2, and then plus c third element, u3 minus d, which is fourth element, so u4, plus this one also same, so 3v1 minus 4v2 plus v3 minus v4. Okay, so sama tak dengan yang left hand side ni. So 3v1 3u1 plus 3v1. Okay, so ni yang bawah ni. Okay, so 3u1 minus 4u2 plus u3. So 3u1 minus 4u2 plus u3 minus u4, so minus u4 plus 3v1 plus 3v1 minus 4v2 minus 4v2 plus v3 minus v4. Okay, so minus v4. Okay, so therefore left hand side and right hand side are same. Okay, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. So condition 1 is whole. Okay, and then we check for the second condition. Okay, so second condition, okay, so so for the left hand side, so tcu is equal to, so t cu1 cu2 u3 cu4, so which is equal to, okay, so 3 first element cu1, and then minus 4 times second element, which is cu2, and then plus third element, which is cu3, and then minus fourth element cu4. Okay, and then find for ctu. So ct u1 u2 u3 and 4, so which is equal to c. So transformation of this u, which is equal to 3 first element minus 4 second element plus third element minus fourth element. Okay, so it is equal to 3cu1, so expand c, minus 4cu2 plus cu3 and minus cu4. So sama ke tidak? Okay, so 3cu1 minus 4cu2 minus 4cu2 plus c3 plus cu3 then minus u4 minus u4, so sama. Okay, so since left hand side is equal to right hand side, so condition 2 is whole. Okay, so therefore T is a linear transformation. Okay, so sebab dua-dua whole. Okay, so dah habis. Okay, so that's all for our lesson today. Okay, so see you later. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.